On our second day in Sri Lanka, we were picked up early by our driver, and we made a scenic 2-hour drive from Pinawala to Dambulla Cave Temple. Dambulla Cave Temple, also known as the Golden Temple of Dambulla, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the largest and best preserved cave temple complexes in Sri Lanka. It was established in the 1st century BCE and is home to over 150 Buddha statues spread across 5 main caves, each richly decorated with murals and carvings that depict Buddhist history and teachings. Now be prepared for a bit of a climb here. There are roughly 200 stairs to reach the temple from the entrance. And along the way, you'll see a lot of monkeys, so be sure not to bring any food and keep a safe distance from them. When you reach the top, you'll need to leave your shoes with the attendants, as footwear is not allowed inside the temple caves. You can't carry them with you either. And note that there is a small retrieval fee for your shoes in cash. It seemed that most people gave about 100 Sri Lankan rupees. You also want to make sure to dress appropriately when visiting temples, which means long pants for men and long pants or skirts for women. We saw many visitors choosing to wear a sarong around their waist inside the caves. Exploring all 5 caves typically takes about an hour, depending on how much time you spend admiring the intricate murals and statues. Photography is allowed in most areas, but do avoid taking selfies with Buddha statues as it's considered disrespectful. A tip we learned the hard way: don't miss the nearby, more modern Golden Temple and large Buddha statue. It's just a short walk from the cave temple. We completely missed the path and only saw it driving by later.